Check it out, guys. Yet another humidifier.
Another one.
Humidifier review.
Another
Yeah, this one's perfect for your grow tent, and I will show you why. All right, first things first. The reason why this humidifier is better, badder, and danker than any other humidifier you've ever used inside your grow tent.
Cool.
Now, let me tell you this right now. With this humidifier, you do not need to go out and buy you a Inkbird, whatever they're called, little freaking with
They're the yummiest.
the humidistat, all that crap. Nope, this one's got one built in. I know what you guys are thinking, but it's got one built in. You can't really do much. It's inside of the machine. Blah, blah, blah. But if you come over here and you check out this is what this one looks like. It's the base. And if you go bam, 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 take off 4 bolts, you got to the humidistat. And with this humidistat, you could extend it, bam, bam, you got the Inkbird, you got the dankness. All right, that's about does it for this review. Why don't you like and subscribe, because you know this was the dankest review you've ever seen on a humidifier. And if it isn't, then what the fuck? Why'd that go off? Shut up, god damn it.